In this video, I'll show you how to block a person on Gmail from sending you emails. To get started, go ahead and open your Google Mail account into your Google Chrome browser. Now, once you're on your Google Mail account, go ahead and head over into the conversation where you can find the specific user that you want to block on Gmail. So simply select or click on that specific email that you've received from that person. So as you can see, there are a few emails that I've received for this Google Mail account. So I'll simply select random one. At the top right of this email, you'll find a three dots icon. So simply click on that three dots icon. Under that, you'll be able to find the block user option. Simply click on that block user button and a confirmation will pop up on your screen. So simply click on the block button to confirm blocking this user on Google Mail. And that's basically how you can block a person on Gmail from sending you emails. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.